To enjoy the many benefits of AcuraLink, start by downloading the app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app on your phone and accept the terms and conditions. Next, tap Add My Vehicle, then Scan. Scan the vehicle identification number or VIN barcode located on the driver's side door jamb. Your VIN will appear on the AcuraLink screen. Select Done. The AcuraLink trial subscription will appear and tap Get Started. Next, sign into your existing My Acura account from the home screen. Or tap Register Now and input an email address you want associated with your Acura ID. Enter your name and password, followed by your security question, and tap Create. You will receive an email from AcuraLink to confirm your account. Click Verify My Email Address to continue. You will then log in using your Acura ID. On select iPhone models, you may be prompted to enable Face ID. On the dashboard, select Start Trial. Next, tap Accept to activate the subscription and input your postal code used at the time of purchase, and tap Next. Then create a 4-digit security PIN for your AcuraLink remote functions, and tap Done. Lastly, your device will need to be paired via Bluetooth. Tap Start Pairing and follow the Bluetooth pairing instructions. To allow AcuraLink to collect your vehicle information, tap the drop-down menu at the top of the dashboard. Select the information icon on your vehicle. Then scroll down and tap Vehicle Data Collection. Then select Allow to grant AcuraLink permission to collect your vehicle's odometer, oil level, fuel and fuel range.